Hey guys, this is Tima Consult. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Okay, today I want to talk about WhatsApp marketing. Okay, WhatsApp marketing and the mistakes we have been making. Fine, we all know WhatsApp marketing is one of the most effective way of marketing online nowadays. So that's why we are all striving to get more contacts so that we can get more status view. But actually, this thinking is doing us more bad than good because the more contacts we get, um the less view we get on our status. The reason is that the more contact you get on your WhatsApp now starts taking more storage space. Then it starts reducing its capability of its messaging capability. Okay, it doesn't flows well like before because we are piling up spaces. It's taking up more space and all that. So the best thing to go about this is make sure the contact you are saving is your right audience contact. Don't just save anyhow contact. I know we all believe that, well, if I have 1,000 contact and I post, at least 10 people will be interested. That's not what matters. What matters is your marketing strategy. Okay, you need to build a foundation first before you start thinking of, I just want to pack, just let them come, just let them come. No, because at the end of the day, the people that are your real audience will not get to see your message. They won't get to see your message because your WhatsApp capability is not as effective. You are piling so much contact on your phone and it's taking up space. So the more your contact, the less your status view. Okay, so you just have to make sure that the contact you're having on your phone are your right target, your right audience contact. Okay, so that is one. The second thing is the way we do our broadcast messaging. Okay, so don't be a pest. That's just it. Don't be a pest. Don't just keep sending broadcast now and then. Invaluable message, you get blocked. I get so many questions like, ma, please, how can I block this company, how can I block on that? They are just sending me broadcast message and all that. I'll just tell them, go here, go here, go here. Okay, when you want to do your broadcast messaging, broadcast message is one effective means of doing your WhatsApp marketing because your message gets to your audience directly, but you don't overdo it. If you want to send a broadcast message once in a while, and make sure what you are sending is valuable. If you send valuable stuff 2 to 3 times and then once you are now sending probably a request or you're asking for a sale, it's better. You are not a person in that manner. But when you always sending good morning, some will just send stickers. People are not in the mood for that. People want to get inquiry on their phone. When they pick up their phone, they want to see inquiries, sales inquiries or something, not your message telling them good morning, how was your night, all sort of, I don't know, you don't even know this person. Some will even come and be asking for friendship. Can you tell me your secrets? Can you That's not an effective way of doing your WhatsApp marketing. Okay, so that is the number two. Then the number three is the way we post our status. Please, um when you post too much status a day, your audience will not want to watch it at all because your audience might be scared. It's too much. When will I finish watching all this before I move to the next one? So just keep your status short. Fine, I know the more you post, the more audience you get because once you post, the time frame you post, once your audience are checking through their status view, it starts popping up. Your new content start popping up, so they'll be able to see your old content. But your content should not be more than 8 or 9 per day. Don't post 20, 30. People will not even look at whatever you have to say, especially when you are now trying to pass a very important information to them and you have crowded your status with other things. It affects their usage. Okay, it will load up fast. Okay, so when you want to post, keep your status post, keep it short. Shouldn't be too much, probably 8 highest or 9 highest per day. Okay, so um I'm going to show you a video now on how to use your how to reduce the storage space of your WhatsApp. Okay, so that you can remove some space that are not useful, some contact that are not useful and all that. Okay, another tip I want you to do is I want you to reorganize. Okay guys, so this is how you free up your space, your WhatsApp data space, okay, so that it would help you to deliver your marketing efficiently. Okay, so you go to your settings, you click on data and storage usage, then you click on storage usage. Yeah, okay, so this is where you see all the groups you belong, the amount of data it uses and all that. So this is where you start deciding, and this is where you'll be able to decide the ones you are going to free yourself and the ones that are more important that you will leave. You can see all the whole data usage here. There are some groups that you are not even active on. You need to remove those kind of groups from your phone. Do you understand? So that is it about so for instance, let's say I want to remove this joint bash too. You are just going to click on it. You click on it and then click on free up space, then clear the message. That, so I'm giving myself more space. Okay, organize your WhatsApp. Okay, all those broadcast lists, you can try and rearrange them. The contacts that you don't need, delete them. You can download this app, duplicate contacts remover. Also duplicate contact remover, so it helps you remove some. I'm su- Most of us have so many duplicate contacts, so it will help you remove the duplicate contact and leave the ones that are valuable. Okay, so just go through your contacts. If it's going to take you a day, any valuable contact that you don't need, remove it from you. You don't need it, it's affecting your WhatsApp marketing. Okay, then any group that you know you have not been active on, remove it. So thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.